What's up guys, Tekshan here back with another cool tech episode. As always, some amazing, handy and useful products that you'll totally love. Sit back and enjoy, and if you end up liking this video, make sure to smash the like button. That's all I request from you guys. I hope you'll do it. Alright. First product on my list is a pretty interesting one. Check out the Amket Boomer.
Oh no!
Read it out, Shan. Come on.
A soundbar.
Hey.
This is a powerful mini Bluetooth soundbar with a host of cool features that you can use with your TV, computer, smartphone, whatever. Amket is a well-known brand. I have used a couple of their products and happy with it. Let's check out what's cool about the soundbar. In the box you have a manual, the soundbar, a micro USB charging cable and a 3.5mm cable for wired connection. Yep, apart from wireless connection, you can also use it wired. That's about it. Here is a closer look at the Amket Boomer. This is a Bluetooth 5 10-watt mini wireless soundbar that packs a punch. I was pretty impressed with the audio quality and volume given its size. Build is solid. To the front, you have the speaker grill. As per what Amket claims, it has two passive subwoofers. Coming to the front right, you have the LED indicator with a mic and the controls. Mode switch to switch between various modes like Bluetooth, FM radio, yep, has FM radio as well, aux and more. Volume controls and play pause. To the right, you have an on-off switch, an aux port for wired connection, a microSD card and USB port to connect your pen drive or microSD card so you can play songs directly from it. And finally, a microSD charging port. Bottom, rubber base for grip. Overall, for its size, be it the build or connectivity options, you are covered. Here is an audio sample.
Move along to the song, singing in your soul. Feel the beat, clap your hands, let it take control. All you need, all you want, are you ready to find your way? 'Cause every day is a new day.
Clear vocals, thumping bass, sure impressive at this range. On a single charge, you can get up to 10 hours of backup, which is good. Another cool thing is being Bluetooth 5, you can get two soundbars and pair them together for an amplified sound experience. Here are the dimensions of the soundbar. As the name says, sure it's a compact one.
Aha. Got you.
Well, if I have to say, the soundbar is approximately in the size of 3 250ml Red Bull cans stacked together.
Oh my god.
Yup, crazy but true. Another exclusive Tekshan comparison. Overall, for around Rs 1500, a good mini soundbar that you can consider for your TV, laptop or your smartphone, be it for music or videos. This will impress you. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description. Check it out. Next product on my list is something to spice up your setup. Check out the Chiptronics Alpha X, an awesome RGB gaming mouse with 16 million colors and a max DPI control of 6400. If you're on a budget and want a good mouse to either spice up your setup or for gaming, then this is something that you can definitely consider. In the box, you have the manual. Do read it so that you know how to control stuff. And the mouse. Alright, here is a closer look at the Chiptronics Alpha X. Build, given its price, I would say very good. Solid, it's ergonomically designed. The RGB LED lighting goes around the mouse and also in the scroll wheel, making it look so cool. Also, the Chiptronics logo glows. You have a button to change different lighting effects and it's pretty cool. Also, if needed, you can turn it off. Then you have a DPI switch to toggle between different levels based on your need. Sides, you have grippy texture, so when you hold, it feels very comfortable and grippy. Apart from that, forward and back buttons, and the right and left button with the wheel in the center, which also doubles up as a button. There are 5 main highlights that I personally like about this mouse. First, of course, the multicolor lighting effects. It's awesome. Second, the cable is 6 feet in length and is braided, so it's super strong and does not get tangled easily. Third, the scroll wheel has a rubber grip on it, so when you use, feels good. Fourth, most important, which normally you won't get to see in mouse at this range, you can control the mouse using software, which is totally cool. Just download the software from the Chiptronics website and you have complete control on every aspect of the mouse. And the fifth would be the pricing. For around Rs 799, I think it's a bang for your buck mouse if you want to add some color to your setup or want a good gaming mouse on a budget. Be it Windows or Mac, this works on both. Good one to own or give someone. Want to grab one? We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description. Check it out. Next up, a very handy one, yet something super interesting. Check out the motorbike.
Huh?
Looks cool, right? Well, it's not an ordinary motorbike.
Then?
Open and boomba! It's a super handy toolkit set.
Wow, that's interesting.
I know, right? It has a total of 21 pieces. You have the handle, an extension in case you want to have more length, the 9 bits and an adapter of different types, so you're covered with any type of screw. Then socket connectors for bolts, etc. It's of different sizes, 7, 8, 9 and 10 mm. Then 4 precision plus and minus screwdrivers. And finally, a 3.5 feet measuring tape. Awesome, right? All packed inside a bike-shaped case. But wait, I have one more thing. Well, just press the front button and ta-da! The bike headlights light up so you can use it as an LED torch. Cool, right? This is powered by 4 large button batteries. A creative toolkit that can also be a showpiece. A handy one to have at home if you're a handyman who loves fixing things. Well, in fact, there's also a car model in this which I've featured before, and it's cool as well. For around ₹500, a creative, unique, fun and useful product which you can own or give someone. I will leave links to both models in the description, check it out. Next up is a multi-use product that you would want on your desk. Check out the Magic Cube. Well, looks like the Tesseract from Avengers movie, right? Haha. Well, this is no ordinary cube, but an amazing 5-in-1 product. Let me show you. First, it's a USB hub. Yep. We have 3 ports to the side and a micro USB slot to the back so you can connect it to your computer and use it as a hub for your smartphone, pen drive, printer, whatever, while having maybe a nice decor item placed on top. Second, if that's not enough, check this. Open the cube and it splits into 2 pieces. Now one side you can have notes, which comes in the pack itself. Handy to take notes. Third, you can use it as a pen stand. Yep, cool. Fourth, you have colorful sticky strips, again handy to have reminders, etc. And finally, fifth, you have a small compartment here which you can use to drop in some clips, pins, rubber bands, etc. or use it as a mobile stand. Awesome, right? A fine one creative desk accessory that not only spices up your desk but also comes in handy in so many ways. For around ₹325, a very useful product to own or can be a creative gift to someone. Wanna grab one? We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description, check it out. Alright, now it's time for the special product of the video. And this time, I have something that'll help many with their online classes or work from home situation. A good quality web camera on a budget. Meet the Zebronics Zeb Crisp Pro, a HD web camera with some nice features. In the box, you have the web camera, that's about it. And here it is. Design and build looks good. You can adjust the angle as per your need. Coming to the picture resolution, it is 1280 x 720 and it's good enough for normal video chats and online classes. It has a 5p lens and also has LED lights with a mic. In case your environment is dark, you can turn on the LED lights and even control the amount of light you need using this knob. On the placement of the camera, you can either clip it on your monitor or even place it on your desk. So it can be used both ways. So guys, this footage that you're seeing is being recorded using the Zebronics Zeb Crisp Pro web camera. Hope you got a pretty good idea. Overall, if you're looking for a branded HD web camera with good picture quality, then for around ₹1,350, you can consider the Zebronics Zeb Crisp Pro. We'll leave the Best Buy link in the description, check it out. So, that's it for this cool tech episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to smash the like button. And if you missed the previous episodes, do check them out. We'll leave the link in the I button. And if you're new to Dekshan, subscribe so that we can catch up in another exciting video. Until then.